A warning: if you're planning to enjoy any summer concerts over the next few weeks, you might want to take a few extra moments to keep your tickets safe.
Consumer reporter John Mattery spoke with one woman who says her tickets disappeared, so you don't waste your money.
Marilyn Young was looking forward to a big 1980s concert as part of her high school reunion.
I purchased tickets back in December for a concert, Styx, REO Speedwagon, Loverboy.
But her hairband dreams were dashed with a notification from Ticketmaster saying she had successfully transferred her tickets to someone else.
They were transferred to an email that wasn't me. It looked like mine, but it wasn't. It was slightly different, and there was no way I could. They're gone.
It turns out someone had logged in with her password, then stole the tickets. Marilyn's not the first victim. News stories nationwide report similar cases of missing tickets. We contacted Ticketmaster, but it told us its site was not breached.
The Better Business Bureau says it has seen an increase in ticket-related scams over the past year, in part due to the return of live concert events, but also because of the increasing use of digital-only tickets.
It could be the most reputable company in the world. There's still the possibility that you could be hacked.
Josh Planos with the BBB says there's always risk associated with online purchases, in many cases due to password theft.
Your personal and payment information is your currency online. And once that account is compromised, other accounts are on the chopping block.
To keep your tickets safe, Josh says, keep passwords complex and up to date. Never share passwords among multiple websites, and take screenshots of your tickets so you have proof of them. Good news, Ticketmaster finally issued Marilyn a new pair of tickets so she could go to her reunion concert. But her advice, be diligent.
You should change your passwords with your accounts on a regular basis and just make it that much tougher for somebody.
That way you lower your risks and you don't waste your money. I'm John Mattery.